Hello guys, what is up? Welcome back to another idle game tutorial. This is episode 12, and we are going to be doing the Break Infinity third class namespace. So this is good for anyone who's got down the game mechanics and all that, and is ready to set up their game for really big numbers, such as 1.8, E508, or something big like that. So this is really easy. You just gotta download the script I'm gonna provide you in the link below. So I don't have it in here yet. It's gonna be on a Dropbox right here, but it's gonna contain two scripts that you're gonna drag in here. Ah, shoot! I accidentally deleted them from my own script. my own game, because I just copied and pasted it into a folder so I could upload it. There we go. Oops. Okay, so we're gonna copy them. Once you download them, you just need to drag them. For me, I'm being a little complicated since I already have them, and I don't want to lose them in my original files. Alright, so we have Big Double and Big Double Editor. Big Double Editor is for being able to see the variables here as a specific number format that I thought looks really cool. Big Double is the script that, or the shoot, I just called it the namespace. Yeah, it's got a lot of math inside it. You don't need to mess with anything in here. So let's open up our main script. So at the top of your script, you always see like the using unity.ui, and I'm sure some of you guys are asking where they come from. They come from scripts like the one I just dragged in. If the project will load, I got lots of stuff open. Okay, so yeah, these right here. So you're probably wondering where they come from. They come from, let's open up Big Double. It comes from scripts like these right here. So namespace break infinity, that's what we're going to use to call right here. We're going to type in using break infinity and then a semicolon to finish it off. And we have automatically imported into this whole script into here. And this whole thing has been modified partially by me and the creator itself. It can be used for our future advanced save system, so it's really good, really cool. So yeah, we're not gonna worry about that now. Let's get started. So right now we have a bunch of doubles. We're gonna start replacing things. So instead of double, we're gonna be using big double. So fundamentally, we don't need to change anything. We're just renaming some stuff. And you'll get some redline stuff. So now we don't need to use system.math anymore. So up here, let's type a new one using break. Actually, I think we can just overwrite this one. Break infinity.big double. I think it's actually using static break infinity.big double. Is that our there was another one. Is this our problem? There's a specific way we had to import it. Alright, this is what we need right here. We need using break infinity, and we need using break infinity dot big double. This is so we don't have to have any of this messy stuff down here where it says system.math.square, because that can get really repetitive. So to make this easier on ourselves, we just got to delete the system.math, and it's good to go. If you want to recognize that it's a big double math equation or a method, you can comment this out real quick. And you can just type big double dot squirt for square root. While if you want to use another one while having this same method, you can just type math dot square root and it'll do the same thing. So let's just clean this up a bit. Things look really nice without it being like this. Alright, so now our methods are a little whack too, so we can clean these up. This right here. This is a problem. We need this var to be an int instead. Oh, that's why. Okay, I see what's going on. So instead of casting n with int, we have to do something else called int30 or n dot convert. Ah shoot, is it convert dot int32? It's something like this. I think we're missing something. Using system. You should have this in all your scripts too. Okay, so yeah, we have the right thing. It's just 2int32. Alright, that's what it is. So make sure you import the namespace using system. You're going to need it in almost any script that you make, honestly, at some point. It allows you to do this cool stuff. So it's convert.toInt32, and that's the number that goes inside it. We're going to have to do the same right here. Actually, for n right here, we could just do, shoot, we just need to delete these. That's why. And n, we're going to return a big double instead. Here we need to get rid of this system.math. 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 So make sure you get all of these. If you forget one of them is just going to break the entire thing. This will also be a convert.int32 and put the n inside of it. So basically this method just, from my understanding, it takes the object n, which would be a big double. It'll do whatever it can to get rid of random strings and stuff, and decimals and roundings and all that, and it'll make sure it's a whole number with no decimals. It's like the toString thing, or if you take a string and do dot toDouble or something like that, it will take that string, get rid of all the extra letters and stuff, and it will convert it into a number. This is a lot of stuff. Definitely should have simplified this before the video. And I believe you can do 2int64, but I'm pretty I think I'd recommend doing a 32 since it's a int is a it's a I believe it's a 16-bit, but I'm not sure what the difference between the two is. That's why. Okay, that's why. int64 is a long, where it's a 64-bit integer, while 32 is just a regular int. And 16, I think that's short. Yeah, it's a short, which can be converted into a regular int since it's smaller. I don't know much about these, so I would just do 2int32. I know I learned some of this in computer science last year. I kind of don't remember. I have the general idea though, but it's nothing too important. Just at least you're familiar with how variables work. Make sure all of these replace big or return big doubles instead. convert to int 32. Public big double. One more. All right, I think we're good. Okay. Anything that says cannot convert breakinfinity.big double to double, make sure you have this to double. Notation method. There's another thing that's wrong with this. We are taking doubles, so let's copy and paste this so we have a big double override. So now it automatically detects which method to use. And we need to clean this up too. See, system.math still works because it's a double, but we can get rid of that, making it a big double method instead. Hopefully that makes sense. See, if you hover over it, it tells you that it's big double.pow, while this one is math.long10, because I specified it as that. Okay, I think we're good. So if we go to our game manager, we should be able to see the formatting. Yes, here we go. See? So here's our exponent and here's our base number, or our mantissa. So see, it displays it as an exponent here. It's really easy to use. Let's buy some upgrades. The big double isn't working here. I don't know why. $471 right here. So what's not working here? Specified cast is not valid. Interesting. Oh, another thing. We need to get rid of these. It doesn't show as an error because it doesn't matter now. But once you get past those big numbers, it'll freeze your game. So make sure you get rid of all the unnecessary system.maths. That includes here. So honestly, I'm just gonna do a find and just delete them all. We didn't need to here, but I don't need these overrides. So I'm just gonna delete them to clean up the code. Since I'm gonna be using all big doubles anyways, because I don't think there's a point in using doubles once you find an alternative. Okay, so let's close out of the game real quick. Okay, it should work now. Interesting. That's funny. I don't have a single clue on why it's doing this, but let me show you the big numbers real quick. So see, we have 40. So usually the float capacity is somewhere around it's 3.8 E38 or something like that, or 3.78. The double is 1.8 E308. This one, it can easily go past it. It's really laggy right now. Like, it froze my game because it's calculating a lot of math in order to get this number, but it works. So if we go to stats, yeah, see, it works just fine. It's a really big number, really good for fast scaling idle games in the that will get to that point in the future. So real quick, I'm gonna try to fix this so I could try to get in action. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I don't like having ints anymore, so I'm just gonna replace everything as big doubles, honestly, because it's not gonna hurt us in any way. And you may never know what you can do with big doubles in the future. So here's a few conflicts that we're gonna go through. It's the save system. So this right here, instead of double, we're gonna need big double dot pairs. Big double dot pairs. And the get int, we're gonna have to do the same thing with this. So let's just copy one of these lines. Blah, 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 blah. Here we go. Copy, replace all of these variables right here. Oops. My computer's very laggy for some odd reason. It's not ready to handle these very powerful numbers. And for here, you do have to put big double dot pairs, or else it's not going to understand. Maybe? Oh, it does. Oh my gosh, that's cool. Awesome. So let's replace all these numbers, or these strings, to 0. Delete this right here. And I guess we could just delete these right here. I don't know why this is being laggy, but it's honestly really annoying. It's probably this right here. There we go. That's better. Boom, 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 boom. Awesome. So now this is even more cleaner than it was before. And these right here, we're going to have to do the same thing for here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. Delete all these. And now we should be able to successfully save big doubles instead of doubles. What's wrong here? There's nothing wrong there. It's just a bug in the thing. Once this loads, we can try this out. And that should remove our original bug too. One more thing, I actually forgot. We can delete these converts that we just added. And we can remove, yeah, I think that's all we have to remove. So now this just looks like a bunch of random letters and stuff. But it's good to have something short and simple that you don't need to understand again, over and over again. Okay. Let's give this a shot. Okay, perfect. It's saved and load perfectly. So, boom. Boom. Ah, what's wrong now? Ah, I forgot one. Shoot. And these button scripts are mixed up too, for some weird reason. So let's go to max. Okay, so this is supposed to buy the click. This is click upgrade 2. So this should be where this one is. Let's move this down. Oh, there is no production. Why? This should be here. This should be down here. This one should be down here. Nope, this one should be here. And this one should be here. Okay. Okay, we got the confusion out of the way. Save. Let's play. Let's play this again. There we go. That's what I like seeing. They're not making any money. This one isn't doing anything now. Why is this power 0? Alright, some buggy stuff happening here. So the production upgrade power. I think this was just a bug. Once you do this all at once, you shouldn't have a problem. And I should add a full reset real quick. So let's do that. Let's do that. Instead of just figuring out what's wrong with this. Oh, that's why. We're missing a lot of our stuff here when I transferred it. That's strange. I don't know why. Oh, we don't have that. Never mind. Weird. Okay. Yeah. Let's do this. Bonus. Okay. So we're gonna do public void full reset. You could put this wherever you want, but we're just gonna get rid of all this good stuff. This might take a little bit. If you have, especially if you have more variables than me. There's probably a faster way of doing this. Click one value. 1. Yes. 0. Boop, boop. Okay. Why did that not work? Okay, let's add a quick button real quick. So I'd highly recommend you making a third tab for settings and stuff, but for the sake of time, I'm just gonna add this to the main one. Make it really small so it's difficult to press. Full reset. Confirmations. I might do that eventually, but that should be a little self-explanatory. If I need to do it, then I will, but I'm not gonna add one right here since I want this to be done and over with. I don't know why I called that settings. Okay, so this will be at the bottom corner. Bottom. Okay, I don't know why this stuff isn't anchored yet. Okay, so let's save. Let's play. Okay, full reset. Boom, everything's back to normal. I'm gonna give myself some money. So this is the cool part. You can change whatever exponents. I'm gonna give myself 6. This is this is a million. 1.3 million. There we go. Now it's working. Awesome. So let's give myself a lot. Why not? So this is where prestige comes in because there's no way I can make that. So let's prestige real quick. Yeah, I didn't add the notation in this, so it's a little whack. So, oh boy. We're gonna make a lot of money, aren't we? Ready? Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah, look at that. Look at those big numbers. Oh yeah, look at those big numbers. Oh, that's sweet. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this is kind of a bonus tutorial, honestly, because it's not necessary, but it's a bonus. So, if you guys enjoyed this, make sure you hit the like and subscribe, turn on the bell, share this video with anyone who wants to make an idle game as well. And if you have any questions, let me below and comment your feedback. And yeah, have a good day and see you guys in episode 13. Speaking of episode 13, where's my YouTube? Where's my YouTube? Right here. Okay, so my next one will be the advanced save and load with the export import. So that will be a really complicated video.